step by step. I learn English step by step. We build the house step by step. She learned to read step by step. He solved the problem step by step. Step by step, I became better. Little by little, I am learning little by little. She gets better little by little. Little by little, he became happy. I saved money little by little, one by one. They came in one by one. The students answered one by one. I opened the boxes one by one. The children left one by one. Read the words one by one, side by side. They walked side by side. We sat side by side. The two houses are side by side. They worked side by side. The boys stood side by side. Eye to eye, they looked eye to eye. We stood eye to eye. She looked at him eye to eye. They talked eye to eye. The two men stood eye to eye, day by day. I feel better day by day. She learns new words day by day. He gets stronger day by day. The weather gets colder day by day. My English is improving day by day. Hand in hand. They walked hand in hand. The children walked hand in hand. They went home hand in hand. The couple walked hand in hand. We walked hand in hand, face to face. We talked face to face. I want to meet you face to face. They had a face-to-face meeting. She spoke to him face to face. We need to talk face to face.